welcome to the TechLizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AORUS 17X gaming laptop. So friend, the AORUS 17X, the first gaming laptop with GeForce RTX 4090 GPU is now available for pre-order, and friend, it costs $3,899. And friend, it is the first high-end gaming laptop with a powerful Raptor Lake CPU and NVIDIA's latest GPU architecture. And friend, this is the most feature-packed model from the all gaming laptops the company is preparing for. And friend, the system features Core i9-13900HX processor based on Raptor Lake Silicon, and this is the 24-core unlock processor with boost clock up to 5.4 GHz. And the HX series have increased default TDP to 55 watt, but they are equipped with less powerful integrated graphics, just as that desktop version. And friend, this laptop does not need integrated graphics because it is already equipped with the GeForce RTX 40 GPU. And friend, this is the best NVIDIA GPU for this generation of mobile GPUs, but also this is the full fat version with maximum TDP up to 175 watt. And friend, the laptops are equipped with QHD 1440 panels and featuring 240Hz refresh rate, and Gigabyte flagship laptop offers up to 64 GB of RAM, but this model is equipped with 2x16 GB of DDR5 memory. And friend, this is a DDR5 5600 memory, which is noticeable upgrade over previous series equipped with 4800 MT per second modules. And friend, it weighs around 2.8 kg, but this weight does not even account for the 330 watt power supply that is added with the laptop. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.